Hey, I'm Brian Van from SportBikeTrackGear.com, family owned and operated, focused solely on sport bikes, both street and track riding. Our real passion is for the racetrack. I run this like it's a motorcycle shop on the corner, right? Even though it's online, the plan from the get-go, especially with the YouTube channel, was to give people an experience that really mirrored being there at the dealership, so they could form some type of relationship with myself and our company.
So I started out working for my dad, actually dumping trash. I think I was in kindergarten, and I worked my way up, and I'm working in the warehouse, and I think I've been working back there since I've been 12, and I'm 15 now, and I'll probably keep that up for another year, and then I'll jump up into sales. And something my dad taught me is growing the business. It's a whole family process, it's a team.
While these other kids are out there burning laps, Max is in the shop, helping push the business forward, which in the end is what's created the opportunity for him to race. Our only sponsors, when you really get down to it, right? We do have help from companies, and that's appreciated, but it's all the people that have shopped with us over the years. That's what has afforded him the opportunity to come out here and compete in MotoAmerica.
I mainly just want to get a trophy in this series, maybe a championship, but my main goal for the future is definitely to own STG for sure.
What I want to say to people, I want to say thanks for all the support that you've given us. That is what allows us to basically live a dream. For him, this is like growing up in Disney. Think about it, you get to work in mom and dad's motorcycle shop, right? You get to come out and race these kick-ass bikes that your old man builds. Got two of my best friends in the world here helping support, Jimmy Fox, Dave Babel, of course, Mom and Sophia are here too. I mean, this is magical, dude. At the end of the day, the people in the paddock that we get to hang out with on the weekends, it does not get any better than this. Thank you to everyone who has helped us get here.